Hi guys, welcome to my crazy life. It's Lori and I have a FabFitFun unboxing for you today. This is the spring box that I just got in the mail today. And the Dollar Tree was pretty slow this week, so we're gonna fill this in. I opened the box. I thought I opened it. I did. Let's open it and see what we got inside, because I don't remember what I ordered. I mean, I think I remember, but that's questionable. Okay, first and foremost, we have win a prize pack valued at $10,000. Oh, scratch lightly with a coin to reveal if you won. Okay, well, we'll do that after. A HelloFresh thing. Oh, I know I picked this. This is a Rifle Paper Company journal that I love. It's a hardback. I've never had any of their products before, and I wanted to kind of see before I go ordering online. I love a journal. Mostly it becomes a big old to-do list for me, but there's that. Okay, so that stays on the front. So you have your elastic here. On the inside, you can put your information. Oh, it's pretty. Lined pages, and you get a delicate little gold pen. Oh, that's fun. What's back here? Oh, you get a little to put like trinkets or receipts or whatever. Oh, nice. I like this a lot. Also like the elastic. All right, FabFitFun. Nope. Rifle Paper Company journal. Definitely will order from them. All right, let's see what else we got in here. I got a lot of beauty stuff, apparently. Okay. So we got some Moroccan oil, which I love this brand. I use their curl cream leave-in conditioner. Oh, nice. That'll be good for summer. Oh, it smells so good. I love the smell of their hair products. And this is a 5.4 fluid ounce bottle. Just leave-in conditioner. Oh, I got a sample of Dove deodorant. Oh, I got some of these to try. I wasn't sure. I need to figure out what the sugar content is before I drink this. I figured because it doesn't tell me, if I can't have it, I'll just give it to my niece or my little cousin. But this is Bloom Greens Superfood Drink Mix. It's a dietary supplement. Add 1 stick to 8 to 12 fluid ounces of your favorite beverage. Gluten-free, non-GMO. So it's super greens. And this pack comes with 12 sticks of different flavors. So you get mango, berry, and coconut. So it's like a trial pack. Oh, here's the facts. Serving 1 fiber. I can't see it. It doesn't tell me. I'll have to look it up. I'm looking to see if there's sugar. But if it says so, I can't read it. Look how small that is. So we'll check it out. I got some greens. I grabbed this lip liner. Oh, peel off lip liner stay on. Peel off lip liner. I thought that was fun. And I'll show you the colors. I'll show you what it looks like. It's snowing right now. Comes with 2 tubes. I got neutrals because that's what I like. So it says stay, lip liner, stayin'. Ooh. It's dark, but when it's done, it's, so I think you put it on, you let it dry, and then you peel it off, and then it stains, I hope. I'll have to read the direct, oh, how to use. Using the precision tip applicator, trace along the lip line in an even layer. Leave on for up to 10 to 15 minutes. After formula has set, use finger to slowly peel the film tint off to unveil smudge-proof, long-wearing lip color. So we're going to try it. So I think that's fun. I don't know what that is. Don't know what this is. Is this everything? Okay, this is the everything. We the Wild. Oh, this is called We the Wild, and it is for my plants. I was excited for this, and then I forgot about it. And now I'm excited again. It comes with grow thriving plants without the guesswork. Spray, squirt, sprinkle. So this is Protect with neem oil for lush, shiny leaves. This is your spray. So you spray front and back of the leaves, and it's supposed to protect them. Allow plant to dry in well-ventilated area or wipe with our leaf cleaning gloves. Repeat every 2 weeks or every 3 to 4 days for active issues. Cool. This might be good for my Monstera. She is a big one. I have to show it to you. And then this is liquid. Add 1/4 teaspoon per quart of water to your container. Add water. Soil, liquid drains. Oh, so this is just some food. Some grow concentrate. And this is build strong, resilient roots. So a root thing, which is really good. Nice. And this one says simply sprinkle on soil, 2 teaspoons for 3 to 6 inch pots. Water with diluted grow concentrate. So I just sprinkle this and then use this to water. And I have my Christmas cactus, Thanksgiving cactus, whatever it is not doing well. So I need to, okay, I overwatered it and rotted its roots, and now I'm trying to bring it back to life. We'll see how that works. But I was super excited to see this because we're getting into that season. And then the last thing I picked up, oh, and before I get to this while I'm opening it, if you want to try this out, I think I can send some free boxes, or you pay shipping or something. So let me know if you email me. My email's in the description box. I can send you a link to see if you can try one on your own, for yourself. These are so fun. And I get the seasonal box. This is made for every day. Everything you need for your everyday, a crossbody sling that sits comfortably against your body. Made from 100% cotton canvas, it's machine washable with a water-resistant interior for easy care. Nice, because we know I got vacation coming up, right? So I'm going to Canada in May, and then in June I'm going to the Mediterranean. So I thought this would be fun. I wish they had different colors though, but I think this will be nice and neutral. So you get a big crescent shape opening, which is lovely. Oh, and it has a nice flat bottom. There's a little zipper pouch here to put whatever in. I like this. Let's see how long. It's a nice wide strap. I was debating on which crossbody I was going to use, but this might be it. Let's see. Let's stand up and see. Oh, I like that. So you can kind of wear it here, here, behind your back. I think this is perfect right here. I do have a long torso, so let's see if I can lengthen this a little more. Oh yeah, I think that's perfect right there. Oh, and then it just kind of folds around your body. So criminal activity, right? Now, the only thing is I wish I could lock it, but honestly, if I'm walking and it's under my arm, I don't think people are gonna bust into my bag, right? Oh, I like it. So this might be the crossbody that I'm bringing with me, and I like it a lot. So, and this brand is July. I think this is going to be perfect because honestly, it will hold all the things, including my Kindle, my cell phone, my tripod even, and look how wide it opens up at the bottom. Snacks will absolutely fit in here. Yeah, this is probably going to be my new best friend this summer. I will most likely just zip it all the way down, right? There we go. I think that is perfect. If I wanted to, which I don't, I could put my pins on it, but maybe what I could do is put some pins on here. Oh yeah, well that might pull my clothing. I like that length better, right there. Right at my hip. Oh, I love it. I'm so excited. And it definitely, if you didn't get this and you have a box, I think you can still order this kind of stuff. But I love this. All right, guys, that's everything I got this time from FabFitFun. Not a sponsored video. I ordered this on my own, and I did get it quarterly. So, I hope you enjoy, and you're having a fantastic day, and it's warm wherever you are, because it is not warm here. It's cold and snowing, and I'm out of fire logs. So that makes me sad, but I'm going to go upstairs and put my pajamas on and edit this video and have a cup of hot tea and enjoy my evening. And I hope you're doing the same. And I will talk with you later. Bye!